Welcome to a journey into the wild side of our planet, where we'll explore the most dangerous animals that roam the Earth. When we think of dangerous creatures, images of massive predators with razor-sharp teeth might come to mind. But as we'll discover today, size doesn't always determine deadliness. Some of the world's most lethal animals are surprisingly small, while others are apex predators that have ruled their domains for millions of years. Today, we'll count down the top 5 most dangerous animals on our planet, examining what makes each one so formidable and why they've earned their fearsome reputations. These creatures have evolved extraordinary abilities that make them perfect killing machines, whether through venom, raw power, or cunning intelligence. Number 5. The saltwater crocodile. The ultimate ambush predator. Our countdown begins with one of nature's most ancient and efficient killers, the saltwater crocodile. Known scientifically as Crocodylus porosus, these massive reptiles are the largest living reptiles on Earth and have remained virtually unchanged for over 200 million years. There's a reason they've survived since the time of dinosaurs. They are perfectly evolved predators. Saltwater crocodiles, or salties as they're known in Australia, can grow up to 23 feet long and weigh over 2,200 pounds. But their size is just the beginning of what makes them so dangerous. These apex predators possess the strongest bite force of any animal on Earth, measuring up to 3,700 pounds per square inch. To put that in perspective, that's more than 3 times stronger than a great white shark's bite. What makes saltwater crocodiles particularly dangerous is their incredible patience and stealth. They can remain motionless for hours, submerged with only their eyes and nostrils above water, waiting for the perfect moment to strike. When prey approaches the water's edge, they explode from the water with surprising speed, using their powerful tails to propel themselves forward. Their death roll technique, spinning rapidly while gripping their prey, is designed to disorient and drown their victims. Found throughout Southeast Asia and northern Australia, saltwater crocodiles are responsible for hundreds of attacks on humans each year. They're excellent swimmers and can travel vast distances through ocean waters, making them unpredictable and widespread. Their territorial nature and opportunistic feeding habits mean they'll attack virtually anything that enters their domain, from fish and birds to water buffalo and, unfortunately, humans. What's particularly chilling about saltwater crocodiles is their intelligence. They've been observed using tools, working together to hunt, and even showing complex problem-solving abilities. They learn the routines of their prey, including humans, and will wait at the same spot where people regularly collect water or cross rivers. Number 4. The box jellyfish. Transparent death from the sea. Moving from the prehistoric power of crocodiles to something far more ethereal but equally deadly, we encounter the box jellyfish. Chironex fleckeri, commonly known as the sea wasp, is widely considered the most venomous creature on Earth. This translucent killer drifts through the waters of northern Australia and throughout the Indo-Pacific, its ghostly appearance belying its lethal nature. Box jellyfish are remarkable creatures that seem almost alien in their biology. They can grow up to 10 feet long with tentacles that extend 15 feet from their bell-shaped body. But don't let their graceful, ballet-like movements fool you. These creatures are equipped with one of the most potent toxins known to science. Each tentacle contains millions of microscopic harpoons called nematocysts, which fire when triggered by contact. These deliver a cocktail of toxins that attack the heart, nervous system, and skin cells simultaneously. The venom is so powerful that it can kill a human adult in as little as 2 to 5 minutes. Victims often die from cardiac arrest before they can even reach shore. What makes box jellyfish particularly dangerous is their near invisibility in water. Their transparent bodies make them almost impossible to spot until it's too late. Unlike many jellyfish that drift aimlessly with currents, box jellyfish are active hunters. They have primitive eyes, 24 of them, that can detect light and dark, allowing them to navigate and hunt with surprising precision. The pain from a box jellyfish sting is described as excruciating, so intense that victims often go into shock immediately. The toxin causes cells to leak potassium, leading to cardiovascular collapse. Even survivors often bear permanent scars from the tentacle marks, and the psychological trauma can last for years. Box jellyfish are most active during the warmer months, particularly after rain when they come closer to shore to feed. They're attracted to the mouths of rivers and creeks, exactly where humans are most likely to swim. Their presence has led to the closure of popular beaches across northern Australia during jellyfish season. Number 3. The black mamba, Africa's speed demon. From the waters to the African savanna, we encounter our third most dangerous animal, the black mamba. Dendroaspis polylepis is not actually black. It gets its name from the dark blue-black color of the inside of its mouth, which it displays when threatened. This serpent is a creature of nightmares, combining deadly venom with incredible speed and an aggressive temperament. Black mambas are the fastest snakes in the world, capable of slithering at speeds up to 12.5 miles per hour. In the animal kingdom, that's like a reptilian race car. They can grow up to 14 feet long, making them also one of the longest venomous snakes in Africa. Their streamlined body and powerful muscles allow them to move with fluid grace across various terrains. What makes the black mamba truly terrifying is its venom. A single bite contains enough neurotoxin to kill 10 adult humans. The venom attacks the nervous system, causing rapid paralysis and respiratory failure. Without immediate medical treatment, a black mamba bite is nearly 100% fatal, with death typically occurring within 20 minutes to 3 hours. But it's not just the lethality of their venom that makes black mambas so dangerous, it's their behavior. Unlike many snakes that prefer to flee when confronted, black mambas are notoriously aggressive and will actively pursue threats. They can rear up to 1/3 of their body length, allowing a large mamba to look a human in the eye before striking. When threatened, they'll strike repeatedly with lightning speed, injecting massive amounts of venom with each bite. Black mambas are found throughout eastern and southern Africa, preferring rocky outcrops and sparse woodlands. They're excellent climbers and swimmers, making them adaptable to various environments. Their incredible eyesight allows them to spot movement from great distances, and their speed means they can close that distance in seconds. These snakes are also remarkably intelligent for reptiles. They have excellent memories and can recognize individual humans, sometimes stalking the same person for days. Their hunting strategy involves tracking prey back to their hideouts, demonstrating a level of planning unusual in the snake world. Number 2. The mosquito, the world's deadliest insect. This might come as a surprise, but our second most dangerous animal is one of the smallest, the mosquito, specifically the Anopheles mosquito, which transmits malaria, and the Aedes mosquito, which spreads dengue fever, yellow fever, and Zika virus. These tiny insects are responsible for more human deaths than any other animal on our planet. Mosquitoes kill over 1 million people each year through disease transmission. Malaria alone affects over 200 million people annually, with the majority of deaths occurring in sub-Saharan Africa, particularly among children under 5 years old. The World Health Organization estimates that a child dies from malaria every 2 minutes. What makes mosquitoes so dangerous isn't their size or strength. It's their role as disease vectors. Female mosquitoes need blood to produce eggs. And when they bite an infected person, they can pick up pathogens that they then transmit to the next person they bite. This makes them living syringes, spreading disease with every meal. The diseases mosquitoes carry are devastating. Malaria causes fever, chills, and flu-like symptoms that can quickly progress to severe illness and death. Dengue fever can cause hemorrhaging and organ failure. Yellow fever can lead to liver damage and internal bleeding. Zika virus can cause severe birth defects in unborn children. Mosquitoes are found on every continent except Antarctica, thriving in warm, humid environments. They breed in stagnant water, which can be anything from large ponds to tiny puddles in discarded containers. This adaptability has allowed them to spread globally and remain a constant threat to human health. Climate change is expanding mosquito habitats, allowing them to survive in previously inhospitable areas. Rising temperatures and changing precipitation patterns are creating new breeding grounds and extending mosquito seasons. Urban development often creates perfect breeding conditions through poor water management and waste disposal. What's particularly insidious about mosquitoes is their stealth. They're most active during dawn and dusk, and their bites are often so small that victims don't realize they've been bitten until symptoms appear days or weeks later. By then, the disease has already taken hold, and in many parts of the world, medical treatment may not be readily available. Number 1. The human being, the most dangerous animal of all. At the top of our list, we find the most dangerous animal on Earth, humans. Homo sapiens has become the ultimate apex predator, not through venom or raw physical power, but through intelligence, technology, and an unprecedented ability to alter the environment. Humans are responsible for more animal extinctions than any natural disaster or climate change event in Earth's history. We've driven countless species to extinction through hunting, habitat destruction, and pollution. The current extinction rate is estimated to be 100 to 1,000 times higher than the natural background rate, primarily due to human activities. What makes humans uniquely dangerous is our ability to create and use tools. We've developed weapons that can kill from vast distances, poisons that can contaminate entire ecosystems, and technologies that can alter the global climate. No other animal has the capacity to fundamentally change the planet's environment the way humans have. Humans have also proven dangerous to our own species. Throughout history, we've engaged in warfare, genocide, and violence on scales unimaginable in the natural world. We've created weapons of mass destruction, capable of ending all life on Earth. Our conflicts have displaced millions and caused suffering on an unprecedented scale. Our impact on other species is equally devastating. We've hunted whales to near extinction, destroyed rainforests, polluted oceans, and altered the global climate. We've created dead zones in the oceans, caused mass die-offs of coral reefs, and introduced invasive species that have decimated native ecosystems. But perhaps what makes humans most dangerous is our disconnect from nature. Unlike other predators that kill for survival, humans often kill for sport, profit, or simply because we can. We've created systems of industrial agriculture and manufacturing that treat other animals as commodities rather than living beings. However, humans also possess something unique, the capacity for moral reasoning and the ability to change our behavior. We're the only species that can recognize our impact and choose to act differently. Conservation efforts, renewable energy development, and growing environmental awareness show that humans can also be the solution to the problems we've created. Conclusion: respecting nature's power. As we conclude our journey through the world's most dangerous animals, it's important to remember that these creatures aren't evil. They're simply following millions of years of evolution that shaped them into efficient survival machines. Each of these animals plays a crucial role in their ecosystems, and their danger is often a matter of perspective. The saltwater crocodile maintains aquatic ecosystem balance. The box jellyfish controls fish populations. The black mamba keeps rodent numbers in check. And even mosquitoes serve as food for countless other species. These animals remind us that nature is both beautiful and dangerous, demanding our respect and understanding. As for humans, we have the unique responsibility and opportunity to use our intelligence and technology to protect rather than destroy. We can choose to be guardians of the planet rather than its greatest threat. The choice is ours, and the future of all species, including our own, depends on the decisions we make today. Remember, when we venture into the wild, We're entering the homes of these incredible creatures. Respect their space, understand their behaviors, and appreciate the awesome power of nature's most formidable predators.